So lesson 2.5, look back. In every unit you have this review lesson. Okay, so the first activity is a review of the vocabulary, the types of story. So you have to add the missing letters. In the platform, you don't add the missing letters, you just add the full word. Okay, so the first one is action. One of my favorite action films of all times is The Terminator. Well, you will find that you have to complete a full word in the platform. Okay, so remember, the words are psychological thriller, period drama, romantic comedy, detective movies or such, science fiction docudramas, etc. The next activity is a review of the difference between the present perfect and the past simple. It says, look at the phrases below. Have you ever done any of these? And you're supposed to write, well, you could even think about sentences like this. I've never played in a band, or I have written several songs on my own. So you're supposed to form them. I'd rather have you do them orally without writing to see how fast you are at forming the sentences in your head and producing those sentences. Next, activity number 3A, the news, says underline the correct option to complete the headline. So this is vocabulary, and you're supposed to choose the right word. In the platform, instead of choosing, you're going to write. If postal strike causes huge delays, that's the right answer. Then you write or type in the platform strike. Okay. Next, activity number 4A, narrative tenses. You are supposed to put the verbs in the correct tense to complete the story. You have the verb within brackets here, and this is the verb that you need to put in the right tense here. So Sasha had woken up late, or woke up late. She woke up late because blah blah blah. Okay, so you write woke here in the gap in the platform, and you have to do the same for the rest of the gaps and check whether they are correct in the platform. The last activity in the review, telling a story. Activity 5A says add a word to each speaker's part to correct conversations. So you're going to find it in a different manner, okay? So you will find this happened when I was living in Hong Kong. And then you will find in the platform, oh really? And then a gap here. And in that gap, you're going to have to write the whole thing. What happened? The two words. Okay? That's the idea, in order to avoid long lasting problems with the right answer. Then remember that you have the video podcast here, but we do it in a different manner. You can see the next video.